Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Elena. Now that the Philippines trip is over with, I'm going to flip this channel into a makeup and skincare channel. And so with that being said, my first kind of skincare video, I want it to be about showing you how to do a do-it-yourself facial at home. Facials typically are really expensive, so that's why I've created these steps and I've bought these gadgets that I like to use instead of going in to get an expensive facial. I can do this over and over again rather than do a facial once. So I really hope that you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date on my skin and makeup journey. I know I have a lot of growth to do, and talking to the camera, you don't know how many times I've tried to start this video. It's probably been 100 times now, but please be patient with me. I'm hoping to learn more about skincare and makeup through you guys, even though I know a lot already, and I really hope you enjoy this video. And if you want to see how I do my DIY facial at home, please stay tuned. So the first thing that I use in my DIY facial is a steamer that you can get on Amazon. It has 3 settings, so it has the off, the warm towel, the facial steamer, and the humidifier. So I start off with a warm towel just because I like a warm towel after I cleanse my face, so I just go to the setting here. It's pretty easy to use. I take filtered water and I put it in the back water dispenser right here, and it just goes right in, and this little button thing will drain the rest of the water that you have in here. It doesn't have much water in here right now just because it is steaming a towel as we speak. Unlock portion of this head is, and you take it off, and be very careful when you take it out because it's very hot. It steams it to the max. And so, but now that I have a hot towel, after I cleanse my face, I can just, have a warm towel to clear off the rest of the excess water. So that's nice. So I'm going to be right back. I'm going to just fill this up with more water, and I'll show you how to steam your face. Steaming is a really nice step in your routine just because it loosens the hair follicles, it gets rid of dead skin, and it decongests your face, so you have a nice glowing look afterwards. It's also really nice just to do it before you cleanse your face, so it opens up your pores and gets really into the dirt and grime of every day. So I'm just gonna steam my face over here for a little bit. Now that that's done, I like to cleanse my face. Also with steaming, it helps with circulation in your face, so it helps with, circulating the blood and making it flow the way that you want it to, and it gives you a really nice healthy glow. So I'm going to go cleanse my face. I'll be right back. First, I just kind of get a little bit of water, and then so today I'll be using my Clarisonic. This is an awesome device. If you can definitely get your hands on one, I suggest it. It's a really nice investment for your everyday take off your makeup and skincare. And then also this is the jelly cleanser from Drunk Elephant. I have this kind of in the sample size right now that I got from Sephora, but it's a really good product that I use to take off my makeup, and it helps to keep a very nice healthy pH balance on your face. So these 2 products are really good for the next step in your routine, which is cleansing your face. I get a little bit of water and I put it on the brush head like so, and then I put a little bit of product. A lot of product. I did not mean to do that much. I'm running low, so that's why I happen to do that much. But as you can see, it just lads onto your brush head like so. Boom. And then I just go in. So now I have my hot towel. Still kind of hot, but it's nice. You don't want a burning towel, but it's nice to have a hot towel for after. dry your face. So next I want to exfoliate, and I use this personal micro dermabrasion machine that I have. But it's really easy to use. This is a kind of a hefty investment as well. If you don't want to invest in something like this, then I would also recommend, I have a few masks actually that I can recommend. It's this mask by Purity. It's a pore extractor, and it's an exfoliating clay mask. It's a physical exfoliant. It's got salicylic acid in it, and it's really nice. I just put it on for 5 minutes, wash it off, and it's a really nice physical exfoliant. Just get rid of the extra dead skin off your face, and exfoliating is really nice to do like once or twice a week. And then I would also recommend this exfoliant. It's a liquid peel, so this would be a physical exfoliant, and it's really nice. It kind of, you can see the dead skin coming off your face when you use it. You can use it for anything on your body, any part of your skin, like your feet or your hands, or anything that you really want to get the dead skin off. And you just put water on your face, or that you are going to use it for, and put it on with water. Put this, a little bit of this amount. You can just use like a pea size, and then you just see literally the dead skin coming off your face or whatever part of your body you want to use. So I really recommend this from the Body Shop, Drops of Youth. But today I'm going to show you the micro dermabrasion machine that I have. This machine makes you really feel like you're at the getting a facial done, because it really is a machine that a lot of facialists, I guess that's what you call them, would use for when you actually have a facial done. So after you cleanse, you're gonna exfoliate your face, and you, like I said, you can use anything. You can use the two that I recommend, or any exfoliant that you have, and it makes you really feel like you're at the spa. So I decided to just do it right here, just because it's kind of easier to show you how to use this machine. So you're just, it has a little head, and then it has this part of it, which basically kind of shaves a little bit of your face. So that's why you have to definitely, it just shaves like the skin, the dead skin off your face, and then it also sucks, so it sounds like that. And so you want to definitely read the instructions before you use it, because I will show you why, basically. But you want to go from the in to the out of your face. So start here, and I'll start with my nose last. Hard to use. The mid part of your face, and then you're going to drag it out, and then you shouldn't go over the same parts of your face, which I kind of did a few times, so don't do what I did, just because it's going to make your face really red. It's like vibrating, and then it's taking some and sucking some of the dead skin off your face. So it's a really good investment. I really recommend it. It makes you feel like you're definitely doing a lot more to your skin than any other exfoliant, but I've used those exfoliants before. I also have to choose one or the other, so if I'm going to use like one of the chemical or physical exfoliants, then I'm going to have to choose that and then not do this for the week. So it's either that or this, because it can really irritate your skin. Next, I'm going to use a hydrating mask, just because I think we've kind of like, my face is a little dry now since it's gotten that extra layer off. It's really soft now, actually. So now that we got rid of all the bad stuff, we're gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleep Mask. But I use this as a 5-minute hydrating mask, just because I'm not gonna be sleeping right now. So I'm gonna use this right now just to hydrate the face. So while I wait for the mask to be done with my 5 minutes, I just put my warming towel back into the steamer. And I also want to say that I don't know if I said it already, but I use filtered water instead of just regular tap water. Alright, timers. Alexa, turn off timer. So the timer's up. Like I was saying, I use filtered water instead of regular tap water. One, it will ruin my warranty on this steamer if I use tap water and there's something wrong with it. They won't fix it. And two, you want like clean water to be put on your face instead of regular tap water. You're not sure what's in the water and you want just like purified water. You want purified water, okay? Since it has a cool warming towel function, which I love this machine because you can just warm up a towel really quick. But also, who doesn't like a just warm towel to just be put on their face? So for my next steps, I'm going to be using the Sephora aloe vera mask just for my sheet mask, and then I'll be also using the Peter Thompson Roth eye patch detox mask, the cucumber detox mask, and I'm first going to put the eye patches on. These are really nice just to put under the face mask and be a little extra for a calming effect under your eyes, so it depuffs and decongests your eye holes. I have really naturally puffy under eyes, so I like to put the eye mask on and then I'll go in with my sheet mask for a relax day at the spa. Also, when I'm putting on this mask, I don't want to put it on for longer than it says, and it says to leave it on for 15 minutes, because then it'll start taking and doing some drying to your skin, and we just want to hydrate the face. We don't want to kind of do the negative effects of it, so we want to leave it on for just the 15 minutes, not much longer. I know that you feel like you need to put it on for longer for the effects to really work in, but actually negatively affects your face. Now that we look like a psychopath, we are just going to let this do its thing for 15 minutes. I'm also like taking the excess and just putting it on my face. Oh no! I got on my pants! So gently take the excess and put it on your face, and if you put it on your pants, then you're just gonna smell good for the rest of the day, so that's good. So I will see you in 15 minutes. So now that the 15 minutes is up, we're just gonna take off the maskers. Look, it's kind of green still. And take off the eye patch, and then we're just gonna rub into the skin for a super glow. So after that is done, then we want to put on a eye cream, and I have Dr. Brent eye cream. It's a 24/7 retinol eye cream with ruby crystal complex. And this is a really gentle eye cream I like to put on after I'm achieving that delicious dewy glow. So rub it into the skin like so. And then I also take this Drunk Elephant Virgin Morale Luxury Facial Oil, and then I will just do a couple drops of that. And then I'll rub that in. And then we finish off with a moisturizer, and I have oily skin, so I use this water. It's a waterfall glacier water cream, and it's a really nice moisturizer. It's kind of jelly consistency, so I'll just put a little bit more than I've had on my fingers, and then I'll just rub that all over my skins. And then I will finish off with using this machine. Let me put the cap back on. This machine, and it is I used to use a jade roller because it's kind of cooling and calming, but this one like vibrates, so it really gets into the skin and really does the work for me. So I'll just go in the areas that I kind of exfoliated and go in and out, going up with it. But with that, this is the final look, and I'm feeling pretty nice. And if you gotten this far in the video, thank you for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe. Please like and subscribe. I will definitely be doing more videos on skincare and makeup coming soon. I'm hoping to post like once a week, like I said, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you. Bye. Skin on skin, again, just skin, the dead skin, skin off, skin, the skin, so have nice skin, able to listen to my bullshit.